Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. This particular video is on ticker symbol SENS, which is for Sens, for Senseonics Holdings, and they have some positive event coming next week. So they have an earning also end of August. Hopefully there will be a FDA approval. At the same time, the chart is looking really nice for a breakout. So if you're a day trader or a swing trader or even a long-term investors, I think you will like this particular video. And if you like it, please do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. At the same time, do not forget to join my community on YouTube, where you can become a member by joining, pay $5 per month, and you will get daily trade ideas with support, resistance, so you know when to get in, when to get out, and you can make money. And hopefully you will make more than $5 in an entire month. So just become a member, just pay $5 per month, and you will get daily trade ideas pre-market and during market hours as well. So anyway, so this is the chart. So if you look at the chart, so last Friday was not bad. It was up by 2.55%, not looking bad. And definitely we will talk more about the chart. We will talk about the support, resistance, so many things. But before that, just want to talk about something that Sens has an earning, so August 9th at 4:30 p.m. and in this particular channel I will live broadcast that event, so make sure you are subscribed so you can see the live earning live from here. So this is the earning, this is a big thing, and let's see another report. So what's in store for Senseonics holding Q2 earning, right? So in the past reported quarter, the company delivered an earning surprise of 33%. That's a lot, right? So currently the JAX estimate for second quarter revenue is pegged at 3 million, suggesting significant improvement from the year ago reported figure. That's great. And also it will be at a bottom line at a loss of 2 cents. And also Senseonics second quarter top line is likely to reflect the impact of higher sales outside the United States, which is mostly in Europe. In the first quarter of 2021, the positive gross margin was a result of the company's ability to fill resupply orders with existing return of inventory. So these are some good things. I don't want to go through the entire report, but if you want, you can go to Yahoo Finance, you can read the report. So let's go back to the chart. I will talk more about the chart, but on a daily chart you can see how it can fluctuate, go up and down. If you are a day trader, swing trader, or even long-term investor, definitely a good thing. And I will come back to the chart because I want to talk, because this is the important thing, right? Some other things. So they also had some result from their study. It was released on June 4th, and you can see that big gains of following continuous glucose monitoring sensor study result. And when it's a big gain, look at the date here, June 4th, right? So it was around $2, it jumped to 2.67, then the rally continued, it went all the way to 4.5. That's almost doubling your money. Then it came back, then again tried to went up, again came down. Now it has been on an upward trend. So any kind of good news, any kind of good earning, any kind of FDA approval will shoot this thing to the moon, right? And the moon, when I say for the near term, maybe $5, $7, $8, or $10. I'm not saying $100 in next 1 month. If I go to Fintel, and if I'm looking at institutional ownership, currently it states 18.5%. Not bad, not bad. Also, if I look at the volume here, you can see on a daily basis, look at the yellow bars here. So we had some big spike in volume, came down, again a big spike, again it went up, again came down. So whenever there is a big spike in volume, could be for earning, could be for FDA approval, or could be for any kind of hype, I think it will go even higher. So that is why I'm just targeting this particular one, because we want to make some money. Also, if you go to Fintel, it does not show the short interest, and I went to Reddit and I found someone stated that short volume ratio of 29.3% and short interest of percent float is 43.95%. That's a lot, right? And that thing came 13 days ago, this post. So it's not a new post, but this is from July 26th. Anyway, but if I go to Fintel, the latest data, which is on 6th of August, you can see that for the entire day 52% shares were shorted. You can see the number of shorts. So it was like 52, 27, 50, 60, 51, so many. And 52 was shorted because it makes sense, because Sens is currently hitting a major resistance around 3.2 area. So maybe some people are shorting. Still the day ended up green. So the more shorts are trapped, if there is any kind of good news, there will be a very good movement to the north. Okay, so what else? If you do not know anything at all, Sens is a company for mostly we are talking about the glucose monitoring system, CGM. So currently they have a 90-day product FDA approved, and the 180-day approval is waiting. So they are waiting to get the FDA approval for the 180-day, and do not forget it is approved in already in Europe. And Sense is also working in a 365-day product, and currently in US 90-day is the max. There is another company, Dexcom, but Sense is also working on 180. So if 180 is approved, that will have the biggest number of days in US. So you see the market potential. If 365 days come, this is something different, right? So anyway, so when many people are saying when, so I looked at many different reports and it says the first half of 2021. So first half means by end of July. Currently we are in August, we do not know, but one thing I found from investor place, let's have a look. So Essentia markets the contour line of blood glucose monitoring system, but more importantly, it has granted, it means Sense, granted Essentia the global right to distribute Eversense. Eversense is the product. The agreement includes the clause that states Essentia can terminate the agreement if Eversense 180-day product is not approved for the use in US by August 31st. So Sense is thinking by August 31st, and this is August 8th. So hopefully it is coming by August. But again, due to the COVID, this FDA approval was delayed. So I can't say it will be definitely by August 31st, but it can, and let's hope for this. And also they have an earning next week, don't forget that. And if there is a FDA approval, this thing can move a lot. Also during the earning, if they talk about their 365 their result or any kind of good news, this thing can run. At the same time, I also want to warn you, if the FDA approval is not there, or it is denied or any kind of thing, the price can come down. That is why it is a penny stock, that is why it is a growth stock, that is why it is a high risk stock. So keep that in mind. Do not just think it will go to the moon. You also have to think about other side of the coin as well. Now the last few things on an option chain, if I go on a 14-day, you can see that for the 20th August expiry date, 16,000 call options is still waiting for this thing to hit 3.5, and 9,000 call options is still waiting for Sense to hit $4. If I go back to September, which is after their earning and after the FDA approval anticipation, you can see almost 3,000 call option at 5.5 strike price, then around 2,000 call option for 3.5 and 4. So just looking at the last two option chain, you can see 3.5 and 4. Now let's go back to the chart. So first of all, on a daily, you can see the RSI is rising, so it is on an upward trend, which is good. Also look at the daily MACD. So the blue line has just crossed the orange line. This is a good sign because there are more buying pressure, more bullish momentum, and whenever it happens, you can see whenever it happens, the blue line stays over the orange line, the green bars appear and the price goes high. You can see everywhere whenever there is a cross, it goes higher. So if the same momentum continues, more buying pressure, then definitely the green bars will come around here. Most probably the blue line will go over and the price will go as well. Also looking at the daily RSI, look, it has been going up, it has been going up, it has been making higher lows. This is a good sign. Again, anything over 70 will be overbought, and currently we are sitting only at 53 neutral, so all are good. Now let's look at the chart. So first of all, 1.8 is the bottom for this particular stock because it came to 1.8 multiple times. You can see it has a bounce. The next support is around 2.67 or 2.7. Again, you can see it started from here, went up, came down, but again it bounced from 2.7 area. Now it is facing important resistance around 3.2. Why 3.2? You can see it was rejected previously. It's not precisely 3.2, you can say 3.2, 3.25 or even 3.3. I don't want to be exact, but on a safer side, let's say 3.3. So it was rejected 3.3. So if it can go over 3.2, I think there is no resistance. It can easily go towards 3.8 area, and 3.8 is coming from this place and also coming from this place. So hopefully 3.8 is not a big resistance. I'm not saying a big resistance. So after 3.8, I see the roof around 4.2. So if you're a day trader, you can wait for a break of 3.3, then you can ride the wave till 3.8 or even ride the wave till 4.2 for swing traders. Yes, and also look at the trend here, the black line here. It has been making higher lows in an upward trend. In case it can break, it will fall, and perfect timing because they have an earning. If the earning is good, this will go up. If the earning is bad, and if you're a long-term investor or you're a swing trader, you can wait for this to come back to 2.6 2.7 area, and again there will be a FDA approval hype, and again it will go higher. So this is the plan. This is what I'm thinking in terms of day trading, swing trading, even for long term. If you're long term, your long term should be at least 2 to 5 years. It's not like 2 months. So again, for the long term shareholder, you can always buy back if it comes back to 1.8 or even 2.6. But for the day traders and swing traders, there is very nice opportunity. I will do some day or swing trading depending on the earning. So the earning is here, I know, so there could be a run up just before the earning. So what I will do, if there is a breakout, then I will just enter with a tight stop loss. Whenever it goes up, I will just ensure and I will get out. And anyway, this is a very good one. I have another portfolio where I'm very long on this particular one. I want this to go back to 5 and 5.5 at least. But again, when you are long term, it does not mean that you can do day trade or swing trade. So anyway, I'm very excited for this particular stock. Hopefully they will have a nice earning, and they will also have an FDA approval, and this thing will go higher and higher. If you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. At the same time, do not forget to join my YouTube community and get some daily trade ideas so that we can all make money. And this is all about a stock, and recently I have been talking about cryptocurrency so that even during weekend we are not bored, we can make some money. So anyway, thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.